you today? I'm so happy to see you again. Before we start, don't forget to send me your amazing drawings on Instagram, Facebook, or email. Links are in the description below. I'll feature them in next Sunday's video. Today, we're gonna draw something super cool, an airplane. We'll explore its shape, wings, and all the fun little details together. So stay with me until the end. You won't believe what we can do with just a few colors. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you never miss the fun. Let's go! Our drawing is done. Now it's time to color it in. Stay with me till the end and let's bring it to life with beautiful colors together. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Give a like and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Yay! You did it! We finished our fun coloring together. Great job! I had so much fun drawing and coloring with you today. I can't wait to see your amazing artwork, so don't be shy. Send it to me. You can find my Instagram, Facebook, and email in the description below. Just scroll down and share your masterpiece with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss our next creative adventure. You're awesome! and I'm so proud of you. Keep coloring, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends! See you soon!